Hi everyone, Ashley Jessen here from acysecurities. Today I've got Darryl with me and we're going to be talking about Ichimoku and the Ichimoku cloud. Now not everyone uses Ichimoku. It's a fairly unique style of analysing the market. However, it gives what appears to be quite a bit of insight. So we've got the Ichimoku expert. Darryl, would you be able to give a little bit of a background onto Ichimoku and maybe why you use it?
Yes, absolutely. Well, as soon as I saw Ichimoku, and the first time I saw it, I thought, wow, this is really, really great for me. Ichimoku was developed in Japan over a period of 30 years.
Right.
Amazing. I mean, no computers or whatever. So and he was a journalist who developed it. Ichimoku actually just means equilibrium at a glance.
Right, okay.
And so the glance is that when we look at this Ichimoku cloud now, this is the ASX 200. These are the top 200 stocks. I guess this is really the equivalent of the Dow. This is our equivalent of the Dow.
True.
And what you can see at a glance is where is the price in relation to this cloud? And that light red? Yeah. If the price is above the cloud, that's bullish. If it's in the cloud, it's neutral. If it's below the cloud, it's bearish.
Yes. Yeah.
So straight away you can sort of get a very good idea of where the trends are. This is a daily chart. And so as we can see that it's been very, very bullish. And the other thing that's unique, I think, about this Ichimoku is this concept of a cloud. What it is it's the current price cloud pushed forward 26 periods.
Right, okay.
And they call it the future cloud because it has been pushed forward.
Yes, yeah.
But actually what is interesting is, and this is one of the reasons I like using Ichimoku on FinLogic, is it's the only program that I've seen, only charting program where I can see the future cloud as the present cloud.
Yes. Yeah,
so let's have a look at that same chart and we'll bring it back to zero.
Yes.
So Ash, what's really good about the FinLogic program is that we can now see that same cloud at the same point as price.
Yes, yeah.
And that just gives us a very clear idea that when we're looking at what they call the future cloud is really the present cloud.
Yes.
Displays 26 periods to the right.
Projected forward,
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is Ichimoku? Why do I really like it? And to me, it gives a hierarchy of support and resistance at various levels.
Right, okay.
So when you're looking at a chart, you have various levels.
Band of support and resistance.
That's
as
right.
opposed to just one line or something.
That's
like
right.
That. Yeah.
So obviously we do have a primary level of support and resistance, we can say. But what is unique about Ichimoku is that we've got a dynamic, several support and resistance, and we can rank them. So when we have a look at the cloud, where you see the line, actually let's go to the chart and I'd just like to show you some of the key areas on it. The main one that I want to point out is this line here. Now this line, this green line on FinLogic is 50% of the range for the last 52 periods.
Right.
So that is the highest period on this chart. And that then to me is a primary level of support and resistance because the market has stayed at this level for this period of time. So that is a primary level. Now let's have a look at this blue line, this one here. This is a level of support and resistance for the last 9 periods.
Okay.
The lighter blue is for the last 26 periods. This red one, which is the top of the cloud, that is actually 50% of the 9 and the 26. And so this is about 18. Strictly speaking, it's 17.5, but it's 18.
Yes. Yeah.
So what we can see is we've got 52, we've got 26, 18 and 9. So these are the levels of support and resistance. Now, one of the ways in which I use this line, the 26, is that is a level at which I may have a stop loss or a trailing stop.
Right, okay.
I can use that in that way.
In a displaced 26 periods
Yes.
forward?
It's always 20. I always trade the chart where
Yes.
the cloud
With
is
the future cloud.
going forward 26 periods.
Yes, yeah.
And the reason is this, that when you're looking at the cloud, when it's displaced 26 periods
Yes.
ahead and looking at the price,
Yep.
so we're looking at the cloud 26 periods prior to the present price.
Yeah.
Now you might say,
When
why
it's
would they
displaced.
do that? What's the purpose of that?
Yes.
And to me, there's a very fundamental aspect of trading, and W.D. Gann talked about this, and that is repeating ranges.
Yeah. Well, good one. Thank you very much for that overview. That's quite a lot to Ichimoku, as you can see there. And it's very interesting that FinLogics at finlogics.com, it is a social trading community with a full charting package. And it's good that for those that like Ichimoku, you can actually displace it and show the forward cloud, so to speak, or the cloud in the future,
Yes.
which is actually the present, as you mentioned, right? So yeah, go to finlogics.com if you'd like to know more. But in upcoming ones, we'll probably go through some of the how-tos, like get into the nitty-gritty
Yes.
of how you trade with Ichimoku.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you very much,
Ashley.
Darryl. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you got some great value out of that.